Hi there, I hope you are doing well. Zubayer here, and today we will discuss about Calendly booking conversion tracking through Google Tag Manager. So let's start. We will set up the tracking for Google Ads. So I need Google Tag Manager, then website access, then also I need the Google Ads access. Then I also need the Calendly platform access. I have everything here. This is Calendly, this is Tag Manager, this is website, and this is the Google Ads. At first I will set up the Google Ads normal conversion tracking. Then I will also show you how to set up the enhanced conversion tracking. So let me do it. This one the listener code for the Calendly booking, and this is the Calendly booking, and it is working as iframe. If I click here, and you will see view frame, so this means it is working as iframe. Now let me preview. So preview, we have to just copy this URL, then paste here, because in this URL we have the Calendly embedded from. Okay, it is loading. Okay, it has come. Now we can schedule a meeting to see the data layer. So let me schedule. Okay, yeah, then first name, it is a test, so schedule. Now we can test the data layer. So I get Calendly event dot scheduled. Okay, let me check the data layer. Here I see the event name. I also see some basic information, but we don't have any user provided data here, like the email, the phone number, the first name or last name. That's why we cannot set up the enhanced conversion using this data layer, but we can set the normal conversion using this data layer. So let me do it. I think I have already created a conversion on the Google Ads. So this one, Calendly booking. Now we just need to set up the conversion ID and label on the tag manager. So this is conversion ID. Let me go to tag manager and tag, then create a new tag. Yeah, Google Ads, this is conversion. So Google Ads conversion ID here. Then we also need the conversion label. Okay, this one the label. Okay, now we also need to create two tags. At first we need a Google tag. We also need then a conversion linker tag. So let me create a Google tag from here, then save it. Now let me create a trigger. Oh, we already have the trigger, so let me just link it. Yeah, calendly.event.scheduled. Okay, now this is Google at conversion tag. Okay, now we also need conversion linker. It will work on all pages. This is also Google Ad conversion linker. Okay, now we have to preview again to test the data. So preview is loading. Okay, now we can schedule again to test the data. Okay, perfect. Now let me schedule again. Yeah, schedule, got it. Now the data layer is working and I got the event. In here I see the Google Ads conversion tracking is working and it is sending the data to Google Ads platform. If I check the status, it is showing no reset conversion. It means it is working. Perfect. Now we can also set up the enhanced conversion, but using this data layer it is not possible because email, phone and other user data is not available here. So now we have to use another way, that is thank you page redirection way. So we have to redirect people to a thank you page after completing the booking. Then on the thank you page URL we will get some data, for example the email, the phone number, to send the enhanced conversion. So let me do it. We have to go to Calendly platforms, then we have to open this one, the schedule, the schedule booking. Then we have to change the confirmation page, so we have to redirect to another external page, and this is our thank you page. So let me save it, and we must have to enable this one to pass the information like the email or phone number on the URL. So now let me test again, and before testing again we also need to clear something, that is this is the script that will enable the data layer on the thank you page, and on the data layer we will have the first name, last name, phone number, email and the event name. So let me do it. Let me preview. Okay, it is loading again. Okay, now let me book again to see the data. Yeah, this one. Okay, it is loading again. Let me schedule. Okay, then schedule. Okay, it is redirecting. Perfect. Okay, we are getting this message because I am using free version of Calendly, but if you use the paid version you will not get it. So now we have to continue. Now if you check the URL, you will find my phone, my email, my name here, so everything here. Now if I check the thank you page here, I will see a data layer. So this is Calendly scheduled. In here if I check the data layer, I will see the page type, the first name, last name, the phone number, email number, as well as the event name. So now we can set up Google Ads enhanced conversion using this data. I think I already have a variable for the user data and email and phone number. So I have it, user data. On the user data I have the email and phone number. So let me check the variable, it is capturing the data or not. So phone number is capturing phone number, the first name is capturing first name, the last name is also working. Perfect. Now I see the event name, this one, then user provided data is also getting the email and phone number. Now we can send the data to Google Ads to enable the enhanced conversion data. So let me go to the tags, and we have to create a new tag, that is Google Ads user data tag. So Google Ads provided data, then we need the conversion ID again. So let me do it. Let me go to Calendly booking, then yeah, conversion ID. Okay, conversion ID here. So user data. Now the trigger will be Calendly schedule, not the first one. Okay, so this is okay, no need to write, it will automatically captured. Okay, this one, save it. Now we also need to change the Google Ad conversion trigger. So in here, let me change the trigger from this one to Calendly schedule. Now save it. Then we can preview again to test the data. So let me preview. Okay, connect, it is loading. Okay, let's schedule again. Schedule. Okay, redirecting. Then just we have to continue. Okay, now if I check the new data layer, this is the new data layer, and here we have the all information. Then tag, the Google Ad conversion tag is firing, and it is sending the conversion ID label as well as Google Ad user body data is firing, and it is sending the email and phone number to enable the enhanced conversion data. I hope you got all my points. So now the Google Ad conversion as well as the enhanced conversion is working perfectly, and it is sending the data to Google Ads. Thanks for watching. If you need help with setup or want to make sure your tracking is working perfectly, I would love to help. You will find a blog post with more details in the description along with my WhatsApp and booking link. Just book a free consultation or send me a message. Let's make your conversion tracking work.